Do you have dry skin? Do you find yourself battling with chronic body odor? If so, you are not alone. Body powder is one of the most commonly searched for beauty products on Google and YouTube, and for a good reason. Not only does it help to absorb sweat and oil, but it can also add a light layer of coverage that can hide blemishes and imperfections. In this video, I will tell you top 6 best body powder for women that got thousands of positive reviews in Amazon and other websites. To know more, keep watching this video. Number 6. Aura's Amazing Herbal Pure and Simple Body Powder. Aura's Amazing Herbal Pure and Simple Body Powder is a 2-in-1 formula that works as a neutral deodorant and body powder. It is designed to give you a dry, fresh, and soft feeling by keeping excess moisture at bay. This light and fresh perfumed powder have soft and seductive notes that refresh you all day long. The antifungal essential oils extracted from lemongrass, spearmint, eucalyptus, and cedar prevents rashes, trigger, and typical irritation in skin folds. You can wear it as it is or tops it off with perfume from the same range. This versatile body powder can be used before and after waxing or as a refresher any day. The powder is paraben, lanolin, synthetic, and gluten-free. The fragrance will last longer. All the ingredients present in this powder prevents bad odor. One can apply it to all parts of the body. It also helps absorb excess moisture in the skin and keep it dry. Number 5. Summer's Eve Island Splash Body Powder. Whether you are struggling with too much sweat while working out or feeling under or during your period, Summer's Eve Island Splash Body Powder will help you with it all. The lightly scented body powder is formulated with skin-loving ingredients that absorb odor, control excess moisture and sweat, and leave behind a silky smooth feeling on the skin. It is hypoallergenic and safe for daily use. This powder is talc-free and contains clinically tested safe scents that do not irritate your sensitive nose. You can wear it for all casual occasions and even present it as a gift to someone special. It prevents moisture loss, leaving your skin perfumed and soft. Dust the powder on your body after a shower or before getting dressed for a refreshed feeling. Talcum powder can be used for your face thanks to how it absorbs and controls all secretion, making it a good scent for women with oily skin. Number 4. Shower to Shower Morning Fresh Absorbent Body Powder. Shower to Shower Morning Fresh Absorbent Body Powder is designed to keep you dry all day long with its unique absorbent formula. Its time-released fragrance combines lavender, juniper, and amber to give you ultra freshness. The natural ingredients in the towel gently refresh your skin, leaving behind a subtly scented and velvety soft feeling. The formula keeps you fresh for a long time. This versatile body powder can freshen up your sheets or car seats or be repurposed as a dry shampoo. Also can be used all over the body to absorb sweat and odor effectively. Multitasking powder can be used to soothe the skin, absorb sweat, and reduce unwanted odor. So it's a great, versatile choice for preventing chafing, itching, blisters, and other uncomfortable symptoms associated with an athletic lifestyle. Number 3. Estee Lauder Youth Dew Dusting Powder Box. The Estee Lauder Youth Dew Dusting Powder Box has a sensual fragrance formulated with flowers, rich spices, and precious woods. The warm and exotic notes include jasmine, rose, amber, moss, and patchouli, creating an unforgettable blend of aromas that lift your spirits. The long-lasting fragrance of this talc has a magical effect on one's senses. It makes the skin soft and smooth over some time. You can pamper yourself with this lightweight and silky perfume dusting powder that will leave your skin feeling loosely scented and smooth. Your skin will smell heavenly after applying this powder. It is suitable for normal skin types and is designed for use by women alone. What's amazing is how its fragrance has a long-lasting effect. Not only does it keep body odor at bay, it also makes one feel good and confident about themselves. Number 2. Elizabeth Taylor White Diamonds Perfumed Body Powder. A Classic Elizabeth Taylor White Diamond Perfumed Body Powder is a rich and luxurious product inspired by Taylor's persona and glamour. It has top notes of Amazon lily and neroli bigorate and hard notes of tuberose, jasmine, and narcissus. The bottom notes of amber, oak, moss, patchouli, and Mysore sandalwood beautifully round up the fragrance. It is skin-friendly and suitable for all skin types. One would feel happy and pleasant after applying this formulation. It comes in nice packaging and is easy to use too. It is free from cruelty and paraben, a must-buy formulation. Kick-starting the day by applying this powder will be refreshing. Women will love this one. This talc-free powder can be dusted onto your face to soak up oil, applied under your arms like deodorant, or sprinkled on your scalp in lieu of dry shampoo. Number 1. Herb and Root Sandalwood Dusting Powder. The Herb and Root Sandalwood Dusting Powder is a talc-free formula that gives you a soft and sheer finish. It is enriched with soothing oils and help calm irritation, reduce itchiness, and prevent chafing. The sandalwood essence makes for a great source of long-lasting fragrance and effectively absorbs moisture from the skin, leaving it with a flawless texture, which is a rather hard thing to achieve in the summer. The deodorizing magnesium does not irritate the skin and controls odor for a long time. This versatile body powder can freshen up your sheets or car seats or be repurposed as a dry shampoo. If you are someone who sweats a little more than others, you must try this because it controls bad odor up to 48 hours.